I'm CC3D Project. Welcome. Ciao makers! Today I'm super excited to finally show you the spool box and the drawer, designed specifically to complete the awesome Snapmaker U1. It's a clean, modular setup featuring 2 spool dryer boxes and a super practical drawer. The spool box mounts right where your original spool holders go. You can reposition the feeder easily with 0 cable modifications, keeping everything neat and simple.
The model includes also space for 2 build plates.
The top lid opens up to 113 degrees, giving you easy access to your spools while keeping the whole setup compact and clean. It also features a removable front toolbox, a snap lock system, and an internal silica gel compartment. It lets your printer breathe properly and even includes a top vent valve to release moisture. The feeder mount is designed so you don't need to mess with any wiring at all. Like I mentioned, it installs directly into the original spool holder holes, so setup is quick, clean, and fully reversible. Quick heads up, you will lose the RFID feature. I tried to keep it, but it just wasn't possible with this design. Now, about the drawer. It's large and spacious, comes in standard and Gridfinity version, and even has built-in LED lighting to light up the inside or show printer status for the pros. I really aim to create something that blends perfectly with the U1's design. Something functional, but also great to look at. And the best part? It's fully modular. You can run it as a single unit, go with a full setup using a pair for a more balanced configuration, or why not even stack it with the HDRY system to turn your printer into a complete all-in-one workstation. It's built to grow with your setup, so you can expand, customize, and adapt it exactly the way you want. Here are the main dimensions. And now, some shots of the final product. As always, huge thanks to my amazing supporters and members. And yeah, hit follow, show some love, and grab the model. See you guys!